Hey everyone, welcome back to Live, Love, Learn with me, Arya. In this episode, let's do a DIY home decor. In this episode, let's see how to decorate a DIY planter using rope or thread and convert it into a beautiful home decor. Things required are a planter, of course. Here I've taken a DIY planter, a thread. If you have rope, that's much better. A pair of scissors, Fevistick and a glue gun. Let's begin the process now. I've taken a thread like this. If you have a thicker one, just like a rope or something, you can right away wind it around the planter. But if you have a thread like this, you can still plait it like a braid and then make it look even more beautiful. In order to plait, cut the thread into 12 equal parts, each of length 15 to 20 centimeters or any length that you are comfortable plaiting. And start plaiting just like a braid. We've taken 3 strands, each of 4 threads. You can use a plank and get one edge fixed so that it doesn't keep moving and plaiting becomes easier. This is how we plait using 3 strands with 4 threads each. Apply some glue or Fevistick at the end so that the threads don't get tangled and remain in place. This is the pattern we've got. Repeat the same with as many number of threads as you need based on the size of your planter. So we've got almost 8 of them ready for our small planter. So this was an unused plastic container which was turned into a planter. So we are gonna decorate this now. Take a glue gun and start applying the hot melt adhesive or hot glue onto the planter. Before this hot glue hardens, place the already prepared pattern threads onto it so that they stick well to the planter. When you reach the end, you can apply a little extra glue so that it sticks well and remains in place. Just keep turning the planter and winding those threads to it using hot glue. Just be careful while handling this hot glue gun because the nozzle and the heater element will also be hot. So just be very careful. Like I already told before, if you have a thick rope or something, you can directly wind it around the planter, but I personally feel this to be more beautiful. We are not gonna stick anything at the bottom of this planter because it has a drain hole at the bottom. This is almost done and I completely love it. We wanna use it as a hanging planter, so we are gonna hang it using a wire kind of thing. We've made 2 knots here. If you want to propagate this pothos plant, you can watch my previous episode. I'll provide the link in the description box. Body of the planter is completely done. Now for the finish of the planter, we want a wider one, something like this. You can compare. For the body, we'll be using 3 strands with 4 threads each, whereas for the finish, we are gonna use 3 strands with 10 threads each. We are gonna use the same for hanging as well. Again, using hot glue gun, you can stick it to the finish of the container. Just trim the extra ones using a pair of scissors. Now cover the wire with the thread again using hot glue gun. So we are done sticking both of them together. So that is all. Our DIY interior hanging decor is ready. You can hang this planter anywhere you want. If you like this, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, comment and let me know if you want me to do more videos on DIY items. If you don't want to use it as a hanging planter, then you can just place it on any table as well. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss notifications whenever I post something new. Catch me on another episode on Live, Love, Learn. Until then, stay home and stay safe.